This video is about work problems. When you look at the most basic type of work problems, usually you're given information about how long it takes somebody to do a job. And so what's useful to consider is to create a rate. And the way that we create a rate is to think about how much can that person be done in a set unit of time, either hours or minutes or seconds, whatever is applicable to the problem itself. And then generally we consider work in terms of a job. And when you consider one job, that's really nice because it gives you a nice number to work with. One is a very easy number to work with. Just a quick fact there. If it takes you in hours to finish a job, then I get 1/nth of that job done in 1 hour, or 2 over n of the job done in 2 hours. Okay, so if I can finish a job in 4 hours, then I can do 1/4 of it the first hour, 1/4 the second, 1/4 the third, and 1/4 the fourth to finish the job. So we're going to use that fact to help us solve some problems. So example 1, it takes Mark 7 hours to paint a room. And Matt 12 hours to paint the same room. If they work together, how much of the room can they finish in 1 hour? Well, we start by creating rates. So how much of the room does Mark get done in that 1 hour? Well, he gets 1/7. How about Matt? Well, Matt gets 1/12. And so together, we're just going to add the amount they got done per hour together, and that's going to give us how much they get done together in 1 hour. So we add these two fractions up. Common denominator is just 84, and so we're going to have to do just a little bit of math, and so you get 12 and 7 when you convert those to common denominators, and so 12 over 84 plus 7 over 84 equals 19 over 84. So the amount of the room that's done in 1 hour is 19 over 84. It's a fraction of the total amount of job. It's not an easy number to work with, but it's a number that we can rely on. It says how much of the room can they finish in 4 hours? Well, in 4 hours, if this is how much they do in 1 hour, then all you need to do is multiply 19 over 84 times 4. 1 hour is 19 over 84, multiply by 4, you get 4 hours. So we can cancel the 4 out. 84 divided by 4 is 21, and so we get 19 over 21 of the job done in 4 hours. And so looking at that, maybe you can imagine how we're going to do this problem. And the difference on this problem, it says it takes Jake 6 minutes and Julie 8 minutes to clean a room. How long will it take them to clean the room together? Well, so now, instead of doing 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, we want to come up with the number of minutes that it's going to take us to do this. Well, we start by the same way. We say that Jake can get 1/6 of it done in a minute, and Julie can get 1/8 of it done in a minute. And so we add that together, and that's going to get us, well, what are we going to do? Common denominator 24, so 4 out of 24 plus 3 out of 24. That equals 7 out of 24. And so they get 7/24 of the hour done, of the job done in 1 minute. And so if we want to find out how long it's going to take them to finish the whole job, then we're going to multiply that by some time to equal the whole job. Well, the way you multiply a fraction by something to get 1 is always multiply by the reciprocal. So the answer actually just turns out to be the reciprocal of 7 over 24, which is 4 over 27. So 24 over 7 minutes is the correct answer. Or you could change it to 3 3/7 minutes is how long it takes them to do it together. So it's not a answer that's, when you look at these nice clean numbers, you think maybe it's going to be an easy answer for how long it takes them to do it together. It doesn't turn out to be, but it's a pretty easy solution. Add the rates together and then take the reciprocal.